The regularization of long-term undocumented migrants scheme will open for applications on Monday, the 31st of January 2022. Applications will be accepted for 6 months until the 31st of July 2022, when the scheme will close. The scheme will enable applicants, and their eligible dependents where the specific criteria is met, to remain and reside in the state and to regularize their residency status. Principal applicants who are eligible under the scheme will have a period of 4 years residence in the state without an immigration permission, or 3 years in the case of those with minor children. Immediately prior to the date on which the scheme opens for applications, be permitted to include a spouse, civil partner or de facto partner and eligible children aged 18 to 23 years who must have been living with the principal applicant for 2 years immediately prior to the date on which the scheme opens for applications. Be granted an immigration permission that allows for unrestricted access to the labor market, and have years of residence with that permission reckonable for the purposes of pursuing citizenship by way of naturalization. Those with an existing deportation order can apply, if they meet the minimum undocumented residence requirement. Applicants must meet standards regarding good character and criminal record, behavior, and not pose a threat to the state. Having convictions for minor offenses will not, of itself, result in disqualification. People with expired student permissions will also be able to apply, if they meet the minimum undocumented residence requirement. Further details regarding the qualifying criteria and the required documentation for the scheme are now available. As previously announced by the Minister, international protection applicants who have an outstanding application for international protection and have been in the asylum process for a minimum of 2 years will have a separate application process. Applicants will be contacted directly with further details at the appropriate time.